In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at what is Google Sitekit, step by step. So let's get started. For this, open the link, sitekit.withgoogle.com. Here we have this Install Sitekit button on top right. Below it says, Google's official WordPress plugin. Let's click on this Install Sitekit button. Here the plugin page will open with its download button. Below we have details and information about it. Back on previous page, here we have why use Sitekit for WordPress, then what's included in it. Search Console, Analytics, Page Speed Insights, AdSense. Then it is useful for you if you are a site owner, a developer or agency, a plugin or hosting provider. Next we have easy setup and great benefits. Setup in 3 steps. See snapshots, site stats, etc. So this is all about Google Sitekit. Thank you for watching.